Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country, and I've got an absolute treat for you coming to the market very shortly. Now, this property sits in a magnificent location. Just look at these stunning views in behind me here, and those views are literally all around the property. It's surrounded by open farmland as well, and you can see for miles up here. You see out over the estuary, you see out over Braunton Burrows, and you look right out to Saunton and the Bristol Channel beyond. Now, this property is totally unique. It was formerly a southwest water reservoir, and it's been converted to an exceptional standard into a fantastic 2-bedroom, very modern family home, packed full of tech and gadgets, and perfect for those looking for low maintenance living or as a holiday home or holiday let. Indeed, the projected income here from holiday letting is somewhere between £50,000 and £60,000 per annum. So the place could even pay for itself in a short space of time. Now, this one's coming to the market, as I say, very shortly. I'm going to give you a sneak preview now, but to register your interest in this one, please do call us immediately on 01271 869 112. Many thanks.